The East African Community is an intergovernmental organization formed to create a free trade region within its borders. The countries of Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Uganda, Burundi, and South Sudan are its members. In 2018, all the 6 countries, for their economical and cultural development, started drafting a regional constitution and proposed a single federated sovereign state named the East African Federation. The constitution is expected to be implemented by 2023, probably adding a new country in our world. So it would be interesting to see what it would be like if the East African Federation as a unified country existed today. The East African Federation would be the largest country in Africa in terms of area, with total area of 2,465,505 square kilometers, and would be the 10th largest country in the world between Kazakhstan and Algeria. It would have an estimated population of 195.3 million, making it the 8th most populated nation in the world, ahead of Bangladesh but below Nigeria. Around 79 people would be living per square kilometers, and 75% of the country's population would be literate. Christianity would be the dominant religion here, with 74.4% of the total population following any one of its branches. 17.6% of the population would follow Islam, 1% would be atheist, while the remaining 7% would belong to animism, traditional, indigenous, unspecified, and other religions. English would be the official language of the country, while Swahili would be the lingua franca, a shared language of communication between people who speak different languages. Other widely spoken languages would be Luganda, Luhya, Kirundi, Gikuyu, French, Kinyarwanda, and many other indigenous languages. Arusha would be the capital city of the country. However, the largest cities in terms of population would be Dar es Salaam, Nairobi, Kampala, Mombasa, and Kigali. The net nominal GDP of the East African Federation would be $225.145 billion, placing it 52nd in the world between Iraq and Greece, and 3rd in Africa below Nigeria and South Africa. It will have a very low per capita of $1,153, showing one of the major issues of the country, that is poverty. The country would have a diverse group of population belonging to different ethnicity, speaking different languages and following different religions. Keeping them united under one border would be another complication, along with gender inequality, lack of proper health care, and safe drinking water. The current territory of the proposed state borders and contains some of the violent and corrupt regions of the world. And in order to sustain as a proper functioning country, the East African Federation would have to deal with this issue along with previously mentioned problems. So if the East African Federation becomes a country in future, it would definitely be an impactful and would possibly be the biggest country in Africa, but it would have to face a lot of challenges on its way to a vivid future.